Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to pay Tamara installment. So let's get started. First open Tamara app. Then here you can see I have installment of 25 dirham due tomorrow. You can check your full upcoming payment from my purchase option in the below. Click on here. Then you can see I have total payment of 159 dirham. Okay, so you can see I have a installment tomorrow 25 dirham for noon. Okay, so I want to pay this today. For paying this, simply click on pay button here, then select your card, then click on pay. Now it will take few seconds. You can see I got notification payment of AED 25 dirham successful. Okay, so guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.